Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is National Tesla and the Gong. Today is a bit of a special day. New South Wales, the state that I live in, has had some relaxation in the social distancing norms that have been put in place since mid-February because of the COVID situation. Because there has been some relaxation, the New South Wales branch of Tesla Owners Club has organised a drive of sorts today. So it's called the Sydney Power Cruise. So a bunch of Tesla owners are going to congregate in a place called Sutherland Shire and drive all the way up to Thirroul Beach through the Royal National Park rainforest. It's going to be a fun run.
Everyone, we are at the Tesla Meetup in the Sutherland Leisure Centre on the way to Baldhill Lookout. We've got about 30 registered Teslas, so looking forward to a fantastic event.
Hey, welcome. I don't think I have ever seen so many Teslas in one spot all at once, so really good to see, and obviously awesome to catch up with the rest of the Phantom Lane 4 crew.
Yes, good morning to all the Phantom Lane 4 crew and our viewers, and all the Tesla owners here. So many EVs, it's amazing.
Look at that! More!
Two more arriving.
Let's love it.
Don't forget to catch up our podcast. Do
Yes.
it or do something.
Yeah, slow it.
And hi everybody, yes, welcome to our Tesla hookup here. There's so many people. And be sure to watch on Wednesday for our special guest, Simon Holmes Court. It's going to be awesome.
Hi there guys, okay, welcome to this event. You're going to see the other pictures where this parking lot looks like a Tesla parking lot. Teslaks are going to probably use this picture and they're going to say Teslas are not selling anymore, but to hell with them. Yeah? This is Sydney Tesla Meetup. Right, did you guys see that? It looked like a Tesla parking lot, isn't it? I'm sure the Tesla guys are going to use that picture and say, oh, these are the unsold Teslas in Australia. Well, look again, mate. That is 35 cars which are Tesla owners, and we're meeting here at Sutherland Shire. Deal with it. Alright guys, as you know, I have a great love for all the national parks in this beautiful country. A little bit more detail about Royal National Park Sydney. The Royal National Park in Sydney South is a day trip for both Sydney residents as well as people of the Illawarra. It is a great place for school excursions with plenty of opportunity for barbecue, fishing, bushwalks, bird watching and whale watching. There are multiple bushwalks in this national park and I will be showcasing most of them in my channel in the near future. If you haven't done so already, please do check out the other bushwalks in my channel and click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon as well. For the adventurous lot, there is an interesting rock pool here. It's a figure of 8 pools, which is a local hidden gem. However, one needs to be really careful and check the local weather conditions because these pools are located in a dangerous rock shelf. Plan your trip based on the weather conditions. Check out more details in the National Park website www.nationalparks.nsw.gov.au. Now, if you want to follow along, the route we took was through Farnell Avenue, Audrey Drive, Sir Bertram Stevens Drive, Lady Wakehurst Drive, and we reached Bald Hill. Bald Hill is one of Illawarra's most popular lookouts, situated on top of the hill of the same name. It not only has excellent views, but it's also internationally known as a major hang gliding and paragliding point. And Bald Hill overlooks the world famous iconic Sea Cliff Bridge. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is the same bridge that is on page 6 of 2019 Tesla Environment Impact Report. This 665 meter long bridge is a highlight of Grand Pacific Drive. This Grand Pacific Drive is a 140 kilometer drive along the coastal route all the way from Royal National Park down to Nowra in the south of New South Wales. The bridge was opened in December of 2005 and is also accessible by public transport, both road and rail. But on this day, watching these 30 Teslas drive over this iconic bridge was a glorious sight. He even tweeted a picture out to Elon Musk and Tesla and asked them who did it better, Tesla with just one car on this bridge or us with 30 Teslas. That is 30 cars, mate. That is 29 more than Tesla did. So what do you guys think? Go ahead and leave your votes in the comments below. If you are driving from Sydney to Wollongong via the motorway, do take the exit at Lawrence Hargrave Drive and then drive down this iconic sea cliff bridge. You can stop your car for a short walk, but parking is quite dear in these regions. There is a viewing platform for viewing migrating whales as well. From here we drove down the coast again to Thirroul Beach for another stop before we went our merry ways. I must say it was a great day, and I need to thank Tesla Owners Club Australia New South Wales chapter for this arrangement. It was perfectly planned. It was great to meet up with all of the Tesla owners, and I had lots of fun, and it was great to meet the Phantom Lane 4 crew as well. I kindly urge you to click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notifications of my latest video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I do have other videos in my channel, do check them out. Until we meet again, this is National Tesla and the Gong signing off. Peace.